Going live on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch separately wastes time and energy. But what if you could stream to all of them at once with just one setup? That's exactly what Restream.io lets you do. And in this video, I'll show you how to use it step by step like a pro. Hey everyone, welcome back to How To Tutorials. If you're new here, I share easy, practical guides to help you master digital tools and features. Today, you'll learn how to use Restream.io, the best way to go live on multiple platforms all at the same time. So what exactly is Restream.io? It's a cloud-based streaming tool that lets you broadcast to several platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, and LinkedIn simultaneously. You can stream right from your browser using Restream Studio, or connect it with tools like OBS, Streamlabs, or even Zoom. To get started, go to Restream.io and click Get Started. Sign up using Google, Facebook, or your email. It's free to begin. Once you log in, you'll see your main dashboard where everything happens. Next, let's add your platforms. Click Add Channel, then select YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, or any others you use. Log into each account and allow Restream permission to connect. After linking them, you'll see switches next to each one so you can turn them on or off before going live. If you don't have any streaming software, Restream Studio is all you need. Click on Enter Studio, set up your camera and microphone, and type in your stream title. Here you can customize your setup, add a logo, overlays, or a background. You can even invite guests with a simple link and read chat messages from every platform in one window. When you're ready, click Go Live, and Restream will send your broadcast to all connected platforms at once. If this video helped you, you can support the channel by tapping the thanks button below. It really helps me keep making free tutorials like this one.